Hello and welcome. Today we'll show you how to turn even the smallest patio into a peaceful garden retreat. Simple, beautiful ideas. No heavy work, no stress, just joy. If you love nature, calm, and easy gardening at your own pace, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Idea 1. Aromatic garden with scented perennials in pots. Creating an aromatic garden on your patio is one of the most calming things you can do, and it's surprisingly simple. The secret? Choose scented perennials in pots. Plants like lavender, rosemary, mint, thyme, or lemon balm. They don't need much room. You can grow them in lightweight planters near your favorite chair. They thrive in sunlight, they smell heavenly, and they come back year after year with little maintenance. Here's a trick. Plant each one in its own pot and arrange them in a half circle. When you walk past or sit near them, brush your hand over the leaves. The scent will lift your mood. Many seniors say this kind of scent therapy helps ease anxiety and even improve sleep when they bring clippings inside. Tip: start with 2 or 3 herbs. Water them when the top inch of soil is dry, and place them where they'll get at least 5 hours of sun. Idea 2. Repurposed chair planters. Old wooden chairs can be more than just something to sit on. They can become charming planters. You can find a worn chair at a thrift store or use one you already have. Remove the seat, add a shallow basket or plastic pot that fits snugly in the hole, and fill it with flowers or cascading ivy. This project is great because it keeps plants at waist height. No bending needed. Plus, the look is vintage and whimsical, like something out of a cottage garden. Many older gardeners love this because it connects memories with creativity. It's a conversation piece, a personal touch, and a simple way to upcycle without power tools. Seal the chair with weatherproof paint if you'd like it to last through the seasons. Position it against a wall or in a quiet corner. It becomes a living sculpture that brings joy every time you walk by. Idea 3. Patio-sized butterfly habitat. Inviting butterflies onto your patio doesn't require a field, just the right plants and a little patience. You can create a mini butterfly garden in containers using nectar-rich flowers like zinnias, lantana, and coneflowers. Milkweed is also essential. It's the only plant monarchs lay eggs on. Butterflies love warm, sunny places. Use terracotta pots or raised planters and place a flat rock nearby. Butterflies like to rest and warm their wings. This idea is perfect for seniors who want beauty and movement without complexity. You don't need to replant every year. Many of these flowers are perennial or reseed themselves. Watching butterflies land just feet away can bring a profound sense of calm and connection with nature. It's also a wonderful way to support pollinators. You'll feel good knowing your patio is helping the environment in a small but meaningful way. Idea 4. Wind chime corner with climbing vines. Sound and greenery can soothe the spirit. Designate one quiet patio corner for soft wind chimes and a vertical trellis with climbing plants like clematis or morning glory. Even a small trellis or bamboo ladder placed against the wall can work. Add a pot at the base, guide the vines upward and let them grow. Next, hang a wind chime, preferably with wooden or ceramic tones that make a soft, melodic sound. Many seniors find that these sounds reduce stress, especially when paired with a cup of tea or a book outdoors. This idea is about creating a peaceful sensory experience. The movement of leaves, the scent of flowers, and the chime's gentle tones. You'll be amazed how much life and tranquility this small addition can bring. It's low maintenance. Vines just need sun and a little training to climb. Idea 5. Tabletop garden for easy access. If you have mobility challenges or want something that doesn't require bending, a tabletop garden is perfect. Use a raised table, even an old coffee table, and add shallow containers for herbs, succulents, or dwarf vegetables. These setups are wonderful because they bring gardening right to your level. You can sit comfortably in a chair and tend to your plants with ease. Many seniors love this option because it allows for daily interaction without strain. It's ideal for memory care too. Herbs like basil and sage stimulate the senses and invite gentle engagement. Use lightweight soil and make sure there's drainage. A plastic liner or tray underneath prevents mess. Place your tabletop garden near where you sit most. You'll find it becomes a favorite spot, a little green sanctuary within reach. Idea 6. Water bowl for birds and reflection. A bird bath doesn't need to be big. A simple, shallow water bowl on your patio can welcome feathered friends and offer a beautiful reflection of the sky. Choose a sturdy ceramic or metal bowl, no more than 2 inches deep. Place it on a small stand or even an overturned pot. This idea is low effort but brings immense rewards. You'll see robins splash, finches sip, and maybe even a butterfly or 2 pause for a drink. Add a small stone or 2 so smaller birds can perch safely. This also gives you something meditative to watch. In the stillness of morning or quiet of evening, watching the sunlight flicker on the water can feel like therapy. Remember to refresh the water every 1 to 2 days to keep it clean, and position it where you can enjoy it from indoors as well. Idea number 7. Seasonal planter swaps. 1 container, 4 seasons. If you want beauty without constant replanting, try seasonal swaps using 1 or 2 main planters. In spring, plant pansies or tulips. In summer, switch to petunias or geraniums. In fall, try mums or ornamental kale. And in winter, decorate with pine branches, twinkle lights, or mini evergreens. Use the same pot year-round. This saves money and space while keeping your patio always fresh. Many seniors enjoy this rhythm. It gives something small to look forward to with each season. You can do the swap with a caregiver, friend, or on your own. Use potting soil that drains well and keep a lightweight watering can nearby. This method also encourages minimal cleanup and clear transitions. No overwhelming garden to manage, just one little spotlight that changes with the year. Idea number 8. Upcycled step ladder display. Have an old wooden step ladder? Turn it into a beautiful tiered plant stand. Each step becomes a shelf for smaller pots, flowers, herbs, succulents, or even solar lights. This vertical setup saves space and brings charm. Paint the ladder in soft colors like sage green or off-white to give it a cottage look. It's also excellent for seniors who want to garden at different levels without squatting or kneeling. You can organize plants by sun needs, top for full sun, bottom for partial shade. To secure it, place it near a wall or railing, and add small weights at the base if needed for wind. You'll be surprised how much life you can grow in just 1 square foot when you go upward. Idea number 9. Solar-powered garden bench light. Lighting is essential for safety and atmosphere. A solar-powered bench light offers both, and no wiring needed. Place a bench near your favorite planter and use peel-and-stick solar lights along the back or underside. Some even come shaped like lanterns or fairy lights, adding charm at night. Many seniors find evening time outdoors especially peaceful. Having a softly lit bench helps you enjoy dusk without worrying about navigating in the dark. This idea also supports security and independence. Light the way for guests, pets, or yourself with 0 effort. Choose warm white lights and weatherproof options. They charge during the day and automatically glow after sunset. You'll find this small change invites more evening time, more conversations, and more enjoyment of your garden space. Idea number 10. Memory pot, story garden. This last idea is emotional and deeply meaningful. Create a memory pot. A single large container planted with flowers, herbs, or even small keepsakes that remind you of someone you love. Use a favorite color scheme. Add a small windmill, a stone, or a garden gnome that connects to a memory. This turns gardening into a storytelling space, something to visit, reflect on, and share with family. Many older gardeners say this helps them stay connected to those who've passed, or even to parts of themselves from years ago. You can write a small note and seal it in a jar buried under the soil. Or ask grandchildren to help decorate it. This is gardening not just for beauty, but for heart. And that's what makes a patio retreat truly yours. So, which idea sparked something in you today? Maybe it's the gentle sound of wind chimes swaying with climbing vines, or the soft flutter of butterflies visiting your flowers, or simply the quiet comfort of nurturing a little green life on your own patio once again. Remember, these small, simple steps can grow into something truly wonderful, a peaceful retreat that welcomes you every day. Thank you sincerely for spending this time with us. If this video brought you joy or inspiration, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps others discover the calming beauty and happiness that gardening can bring no matter your age or space. And never forget, Your garden doesn't have to be large or complicated. It just needs to be big enough to fill your heart with joy. Until next time, happy planting and may your days be full of peace and growth.